Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button as well as turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss my next upload. Now let's get right into my video. I am back with another wig review. This is a wig that I purchased from Ebony Line. This is Zonnique, and this is a synthetic wig. I purchased this in the color DYAT1B 99J. This unit is safe for heat, so it doesn't have the temperature. I would say no hotter than 400 degrees to be on the safe side. This unit comes in a number of colors actually. Actually, that's a pretty nice color, but I didn't go out on a limb that far with my colors, you guys. I'm still, feeling my way through. I said I wanted to step out of my comfort zone a little bit, so this is my first, I think this is my first color. In 99J, and actually this is a really pretty color, you guys. Has that 1B in there. This unit has no lace to cut. There are actually no combs, only the adjustable strap back here. So let's go ahead and put her on, see what she's looking like, and let me try to get her styled. So let's see. Okay, so this is what she's looking like, you guys. As you can see, does not look like the stock card. I did not like how it was looking like this at all. As you can see, I'm already stuck on my words. I did not like that at all. Let's go with the pros and cons with this. It was easy to style. There was no shedding. I do have my adjustable straps on the closest setting possible, so I would not say necessarily that it's big head friendly because it's fitting me quite well. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like I look so old in this unit. This is not something that I would wear. I don't think I did a good job picking this unit, but let's go ahead and take a good look and see how it's looking. I like the fullness of the front. I definitely do like that. The texture of this unit is a little bit on the yucky side because it's definitely not silky. It is soft to touch. Yeah, it's definitely soft to touch. Yeah, so I do like the fullness of it. I do like the color of it. I like how they blended the colors, you guys. The density on it is pretty good, especially, you know, it's a short unit, so it's pretty good. Here's the side. Here's the back. Let's look at the other side. Okay, I don't really have a lot to say about this. I definitely think that this unit makes me look old. I don't think I did a good job picking this unit, and that's totally on me. Totally on me. It's not the unit itself. Leave me your thoughts and your comments, you guys. I'm always open for constructive criticism. Hey, we pick good ones sometimes, sometimes not so much. Not so much. With that being said, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment, share this video, and I will see you guys on the next time. Bye, guys.